bioelectromagnetism is so important for development and regeneration, what we have in our laboratory is a platform technology. This platform technology can be used in a number of different settings for a number of different purposes. We can use it to control diabetes. Bioelectromagnetism can be used to control cancer. We are mostly muscle, so muscle controls the rest of our physiology. That's why exercise is beneficial in its most fundamental sense. So by actually exposing muscle to these magnetic fields, we get some of the same attributes, some of the same benefits as exercise. We are working mainly at the moment in the frailty and elder care area, but we're also actually beginning to do work in sports, in clinical areas like diabetes and in cancer. And a lot of this work, because it's exploratory, is off the radar of traditional funding agencies. So we often have to rely on donations for people who are far-sighted, right? Who basically have a little to give, and they give, and it all sums up to allow us to do pilot studies with which to then translate into larger clinical trials. So most of our work, our fundamental work, our initial work, our pilot studies have been made possible because of donations. Funding agencies sometimes hold back funding projects that haven't been proven in a larger sense. And because we are new and because we are doing something different, sometimes it's difficult to acquire funding through traditional mechanisms. I'd like to take this moment to actually acknowledge the Lee Foundation and all our philanthropic donors who actually have helped us, in our initial years. Our clinical trials that we have been able to run were actually supported by the National Health Innovation Center, the NHIC, as well as the Singapore MIT Alliance of Research and Technology and SMART. They were very supportive in getting our first clinical trials running. So without these sources of funding, we would not be here today. So thank you.